welcome to my tutorial. So I'm super excited for you that you're taking the course. Yeah, so I'm Jonas. I'm a concept artist based in Liverpool in the UK. Yeah, I'm working at Firepride currently and on very cool projects. So what we will do in this course, this tutorial, is we will create a large concept art scene with ClarisseiFX. I wanted to teach you an approach where you can go in the program and use the functions you just need, so you don't have to go really deep into like the material editor or working with nodes or whatever. So I hope it will be as easy as possible for you guys. So yeah, I think you should have some basic knowledge of 3D, but it's not that required. So every knowledge in 3D would be good. Yeah, so for this tutorial we will start with sketching, and we will go over like my design techniques, how I view designs. We are also planning the themes for the reference gathering, so that we have an easy time to search for references. And after the reference search, we will start right with 3D, which means that I add logically to our design, rather than creating an overall rough image and then working from the outside to the inside. Yeah, my approach, I like to work from the inside to the outside. So we definitely have this rough overview, but more on paper with written words with the mind map. And after that we will just work additive, create all 3D assets roughly. And then assemble everything in Clarisse. So for the 3D programs, I use Word Creator for the landscape. I use 3D Code for the asset creation. And then I also use Substance Source for the materials. But for these programs, you can use whatever you want. You could use ZBrush or even Blender for the asset creation. You could use World Meshing, or like you could even sculpt the landscape yourself. Yeah, this will be the basic structure. With in the end, we definitely will have a painting session, but in this tutorial, it's more about bringing the concept as far as possible in 3D. So yeah, I hope you will like the tutorial, and I hope you will learn something. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and I will try to get back to all of them as fast as possible. So see you in the tutorial.